Hello, good morning. My name is Shalini Patwa. I am from SNDT University, PV Polytechnic. So my today's topic is if medical stores were not there. First of all, why we require medical stores? For the storage of large variety of medicines. Why medicines are required? They are required by all human beings for the treatment of a disease or disorder or any illness or ailments which a patient or person is suffering from. So if we speak about if there were no medical stores, who will be affected? So first is hospital management. There will be a huge crowd of the patients in the hospital. So the doctor, who is the main person in the healthcare, has to do all the works. The main function of the doctor is to check the patient's signs and symptoms, diagnose the particular disease and prescribe suitable medications for the treatment of the disease. But instead of this, he has to do many more things. How? Here comes into picture a pharmacist. A pharmacist is a person who is required in each drugstore for the proper patient counseling, for checking their medication history, for seeing any drug-drug interactions or any adverse drug reactions. So, a pharmacist mainly, his main work is that the right person is receiving the right drug or the medicine for the right treatment of a disease at the right dose and at a right time. So, if there will be no medical stores, there will be no pharmacist. So, all the work the doctor has to do. So, there will be a huge burden on the doctor. Sometimes he may also forget to say about any side effects or any adverse drug reactions about a particular drug to the patient. So, this can be dangerous to the health of the patient as well. Next, we speak about if there were no medical stores, there was development of large amount or large number of online pharmacies. Now, let me say about the advantages. It is easy, time consuming. As you sit here, you can order, you can send the picture of the prescription directly and then you'll get or receive your drugs or medicines at your doorsteps. It is time saving also. We don't have to go anywhere. We don't have to travel here and there. But the main disadvantage is that there is no interaction between the patient and the pharmacist. There is no patient counseling involved. Mainly at what time you have to take the drug, what dose is to be taken, morning or evening, to take with milk or with water. Many instructions that a pharmacist does. Okay. So the disadvantage of online pharmacies is mainly what happens. Yeah, as I said, also there can be drug abuse. You never know. There is no quality of the drugs which they are sending us. Sometimes they forward us some other drug which uh, which will be obviously dangerous to the health of the patient in many ways. So if we speak about OTC drugs, we won't get a OTC drugs. What are OTC drugs? Over the counter drugs. If I'm having a headache, I'll go to the medical store's pharmacist. Please, I'm having a headache, give me a tablet of Crocin. But if there will be no medical store, all have to run for small little things to the hospital, disturbing the whole staff. Oh my god, I'm having a headache. So this becomes a chaotic situation. Now, if we speak about emergency cases, if a patient is not well counseled about his medication, if we take an example of a patient suffering from hypertension, he is on a tablet atenolol. If he is not well counseled by a pharmacist, he will miss some 2 or more doses, which will result in rebound hypertension. Then what will happen? It will affect him itself. Same as if we speak about anticonvulsive drugs. If patient misses 2 or more doses, he can get rebound convulsion attacks. So this is very dangerous to the health of the patient. So there is non-compliance of the patient also will be seen because they are not well counseled. If they are not satisfied with one drug, they'll go to the other doctor without saying that we have consulted this doctor. So there could be drug-drug interactions. So the doctors could not do all the works. So if there were no medical stores, everything would be unsystematic all over. So there will be huge chaotic situations. So therefore it is very necessary to have a drugstore in every area, in each hospitals, and in every location. So yeah, thank you for this.